Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
The iPad mini has been among the most fascinating though understated devices in Apple's history. With the iPad mini, Apple proved that you can get the same experiences as a regular iPad in a device that is so small that you can easily fit into the pants pocket or a lady's purse. This year, Apple has finally decided to update the iPad mini. And while the iPad mini looks exactly the same as the previous generation model, the tablet has got Apple Pencil support plus a faster processor and a better display. I have used the new iPad mini for the past week and this is what I think about the new tablet. The first thing you will notice about the new iPad mini is that it looks identical to the iPad mini 4. The new iPad mini even retains a Touch ID button for unlocking the device. Sorry, no Face ID, that seemed reserved for the high-end iPad Pro models. There's a power button, volume rocker, headphone jack, speaker grills, and the same Lightning connectivity option instead of a USB port for charging. In general, the tablet's aluminum body feels incredibly sturdy, retaining the same quality one would expect from Apple devices. The tablet's small footprint and compact size also make it easy to carry the device in a messenger bag or purse. Apple could have made slight design changes, but it didn't. I guess Apple is pitching the iPad mini for those in need for a small tablet with powerful internals and Apple Pencil support over a modern design. The new iPad mini's 7.9-inch Retina display is really good. Text is crisp, images and videos look sharp on the screen, and the contrast is also decent. The tablet's speakers are also surprisingly good for the price. The new iPad mini is powered by the Apple's A12 Bionic chipset, the same processor found inside the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. It's fast and capable and is equipped to handle augmented reality apps like Sketch AR and Stack AR. In my week-long testing, I have never felt that iPad mini was struggling to match up to what I was trying to accomplish. Battery life on the iPad mini is excellent. I got roughly 8.5 hours of battery life over Wi-Fi before needing to be charged. My review unit came with 256GB of internal storage, but the device is also available with 64GB storage. Perhaps the biggest highlight of the iPad mini is the optional Apple Pencil support. My experience with the Apple Pencil has been fairly good. I really like the way it looks and feels in the hand. It's a perfect tool for sketching or jotting down handwritten notes. Keep in mind that the tablet supports the first generation Apple Pencil rather than the newer magnetic type that works only with the iPad Pro. The iPad mini is running iOS 12. Over the past few years, Apple has constantly added tablet-friendly multitasking features in iOS like split view, slide over, and the ability to drag and drop files between two apps open next to each other. All these features work just fine on the new iPad mini. Coming to cameras, there's an 8-megapixel shooter on the back and a 7-megapixel front-facing snapper for FaceTime. The back camera is perfectly fine in good light, but it's not great indoors or in low light. A lot of people would be willing to buy the iPad mini as it does basically 85% of what the iPad Pro does. The Apple Pencil support is a huge bonus, so is the new A12 Bionic chipset. At nearly Rs 35,000, the iPad mini delivers more than it promises.